That's for my brother.
How do you even know he did anything?
You know what I think, Carrot Top? I think you've got a hero complex.
Hey. Oh,
Get in the office!
that oil exploded. Oh.
Don't even try it.
Veronica.
Step away from my son!
Whoa.
I have...
Yes, Mrs. Andrews.
Lock the door behind them and let's call the police.
Mrs. Andrews. I'm obsessed.
Yeah. When I took this job, I pledged to serve and protect Riverdale, not to do your bidding. Why'd you sit down?
Hiram.
Oh. Hey.
I'm not gonna do it, but you deserve it. Everyone in this room, hell, everyone in this town knows that you deserve it.
And you're eating those meat pies we prepared especially for you.
Of course. What on earth?
It means that any evidence he was ever here is in the process of being digested. In other words, I think you know what it means. Face facts on Crooked. You and Cousin Fester have just committed a vile act of cannibalism.
I love that she did that.
Would you like me to pack up the rest of Bedford for you in Tupperware?
Otherwise, you wouldn't have left incriminating evidence like Mr. Chipping's tie pin. You went into my room? It was an accident. I mean, all the doors looked the same.
Between the suicide note and the tie pin, you two were trying to cover up something about Mr. Chipping.
Mr. Chipping gave it to me, okay? We were having an affair.
Oh, hot damn, we did not see that coming.
Aggressive. I was so scared. I told him if he didn't stop, I'd go to the headmaster, and then the next day he jumped out the window.
That's not bad.
Wait.
If Hiram can be mayor and a kingpin, who says that I can't be sheriff and a gang leader?
I love you. I'm so grateful to you.
I love you too, babe. And happy Thanksgiving.
Are you saying she made all of that up?
Well, I don't want to say that because there's a possibility that they had a harrowing affair. But there's a possibility in which the story that she told me was just to stall us from uncovering the real truth.
Oh, come on.
Before we...
And then he would say, dig in, everyone. I'm grateful to be alive and to be here with you.
What's that all about? Donna came clean to the headmaster about her affair with Chipping. How he basically abused and harassed her.
Hang on, is that like a full investigation board? Betty ain't letting this go.
Yeah, I've been thinking about that deep fryer exploding when it did. I mean, what are the odds of that? That saved us, Archie.
Yeah, we got lucky, Mom.
No, that wasn't luck.
It's Fred.
That was your dad watching out for us.
Hey, Kevin!
What do you think, Mom?
Was not expecting this in this episode, okay? I just wasn't. Okay. I don't know what I'm expecting anymore, but okay, like that was just an episode. Like it wasn't, there wasn't any big moments. It was kind of very one level. There wasn't any big moments, low moments. It was just very plateaued. And you know, yeah, they had their Fred stuff and there's that intrigue about the school, but it just keeps pushing the intrigue further without really, it's like that, wait, I still don't get what the big underlying mystery is. And I think that's because they've separated them into 3 distinct storylines, and they're so separated from those storylines until there's like a little thing where they have a little scene together. I'm hoping that as they get to the end of like the mid-season point for like when they break for like Christmas and stuff, that it has a cliffhanger that would give us a bit more of a lead into a big overarching mystery for the second half of the season. I just need that right now, I think. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this mirror reaction, and like this ending review has been like purely honesty to a T, because yeah, just pure honesty really. Anyway, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, make sure to click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.